Hi everyone. This tutorial will show you how to turn off comments and posts by your students on Google Classroom.
No, Mama.
Go to google.com, click on your icon, find your school account, go to your App Store, click on Classroom, find the class that you're no longer interested in teaching, and you can go to Archive, or you can insert it into another class. You can, of course, edit the class, copy it, and save it as something else so no students are attached to it, or simply archive it. If you want to turn off the settings so students cannot post, you're going to click on your gear button. Right here under General and Stream, change it to only teachers can post or comment. Make sure that you click the Save button. This is one of the few places in Google Classroom you do have to save. So now students cannot write on your class. So once again, there's two ways. You can go into the classroom, click on the settings bar, scroll down to Stream, and change it to only teachers can post or comment. Make sure to click the Save button. Or you can delete or archive your class. This is the Archive button. I don't want to archive my class, so I'm not going to click it. You can move it in case you want to put it at the beginning of another lesson or at the end. Of course, you can edit it, or you can copy it. That way you have the whole class and then no students will be on there. I hope this helped. Thank you.